21st century has seen the largest number of obese teenagers and children all around the world since the start of time. The fast food and coffee pub culture has made them lethargic and inactive. Many parents prefer to keep their children at home for safety reasons, which makes them even more inactive and lazy, and in turn results in them becoming couch potatoes who can spend hours together in front of the idiot box or the computer. These things, rather than making them better, wreaks havoc on their health. Teenagers of today are invariably spending most of their time over the phone or in front of computers and televisions. This has made them lazy, inactive, unhealthy, and unfit. It has also left a huge impression on the diet, exercise, and nutrition patterns that they follow. For this purpose, many games have been introduced in the markets which have been aimed at giving some sort of exercise to the teenagers within the four walls. Games such as the brand new Nintendo Wii system of gaming and the dance party revolution of PlayStation 2 have created an impact in the market in this regard. They are a fun way to stay in shape in the way teenagers prefer it. Such games provide an opportunity for them to get involved with it totally, rather than the video games which used to be played in a static environment. This encourages active participation of the youngsters and is therefore equally popular among adults as a great stress buster and workout session. All work and no play make Jack a dull boy. This old saying holds absolutely well. In this rapidly growing and improving world, children and teenagers need to be encouraged to get active and get out. Adolescents learn by instances, and whether they accept it or not, they thoroughly enjoy doing activities along with family members. Such activities must thus be encouraged. Family outings must be planned, including activities like mountain climbing, wall climbing, biking, hiking, and boating, and so on. You can also plan camps during weekends or learn any new activity or sport together. Any activity that is taken up by the teenager must be encouraged so that she does not lose interest in it and is actively involved in it. You can also encourage your teenage daughter or son to join a club for any sport they like. They can play games which they already know, or can join some new sport about which they are how to lose weight. With the right food. Copyright Wings of Success, page 74 of 74. Interested and keen to know. A family match of soccer or volleyball or softball is also a great way of inducing physical activity as well as fun, and gives an opportunity for everyone in the family to get some sort of physical exercise. Gardening is another great way to have fun as well as to burn a few calories. Try to identify activities which your teen kid enjoys and try to encourage them in it. Work with them together and keep boosting them for their work, which would keep them happy as well as engaged in the activity, thereby keeping them active. It is a great way to unwind rather than sitting in front of the television or the computer, which would make them consume more calories by way of unhealthy snacking. They must also be encouraged to consume more nutritious food and to exclude carbonated beverages, energy drinks, and artificial fruit juices and other oily and starchy snack items. Include more of fresh fruits and vegetables in their diet and make sure they drink lots of water. Make them participate in activities such as cooking and serving and clearing tables. This would help them in understanding what is healthy and what is not, and thus help in inculcating better eating habits in them.